Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of this display on the application of Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we go to Google Meet. We click here on Google Meet. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us.